Now I've got the potato already cut up and they're soaked in the cold water. That's the thickness of the potato. It's going to be nice and thin, not too thick, so it won't take too long. And I've got about 2 tablespoons of parsley and 2 tablespoons of spring onion. Now let's go to the other side so we can make the creamy sauce, and we'll show you step by step. I've got about, I would say, 20-30 grams of butter, a cup of milk. I've got a cream, thickened cream, 600 ml, but I'm only going to be using half of that and not all of it. I've got a tablespoon of flour. I've got a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of black pepper, and half a tablespoon of nutmeg. Gonna put in the plain flour. Gonna pour in the milk. Now I'm going to pour in the cream. Like I said, half of it. That's half. Just stir it. We're stirring on the other ingredients. And I've got the Parmesan cheese. I've got here at least, I would say about a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. Now I've got everything's ready here. My bechamel sauce is ready. That's how I want it. I don't want it too thick. It just, you know, because it's going to sit in the oven and it's going to sit for at least 40-45 minutes until all cooks. Now, this is how you layer it. I put a bit of white sauce at the bottom and I start layering the potatoes. Alright, that's my first layer, and I pour a bit of spring onion and a bit of parsley. Mozzarella cheese is gonna go as well. It's up to you if you want to have the mozzarella cheese, but I do like it nice and cheesy.